So it'd be first extremely helpful to separate these vectors into their respective components. So we have a sub x, a sub y. These are going to equal 44 cosine of 28 degrees, and then here would be 44 sine of 28 degrees, and we are getting for the x 38.85, and then for the y 20.66. And we separate this. Then we have b sub x, b sub y. For the x, we have negative 26.5 cosine of 56 degrees. And then here for the y, it would be 26.5 sine of 56 degrees. And for the x, we have negative 14.82, and then for the y, it's 21.97. So at this point, for part A, we can say that vector b minus vector a for the x direction is going to be equal to negative 53.67. You're simply doing negative 14.82 minus 38.85, so negative 53.67. And then b minus a for y, this will be 21.97 minus 20.66, so only 1.31. We know the vector is in quadrant 2. And then we can find the magnitude. B minus A. So this will be 53.67 squared plus 1.31 squared to the 1/2 power. And we are getting 53.7 approximately. So at this point, we need to find the angle. So the angle can be equal to arctan of the y component divided by the x component. So here would be 1.31 divided by negative 53.67. And we are getting 1.4 degrees below negative x-axis. So this would be our magnitude of b minus a, and then this would be our direction of b minus a. Now, for part B, they're simply asking for a minus b. So a minus b is the opposite of b minus a. So essentially, we can go straight to the magnitude. The magnitude is going to be the exact same because even though they're opposite, they still have the same magnitude. They're just opposite in direction. So it'd be a minus b. The magnitude would be equal to, again, 53.7. But now the angle here is going to be 1.4 degrees below the positive x-axis. Because again, now we have a, now if we here, b minus a for the x would equal 53.67, and then for the y it would be negative 1.31. So here would be so it'd be negative 1.31. That's the y coordinate, and for the x coordinate we have positive 53.67. So if a positive y, positive x, and a negative y, this is going to be the fourth quadrant. And that's the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.